What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at a queen winter bottom bone, which is actually Delrin. No half stop. A number 2, 440C. Wow. I got this off the bay for not much money. I think it was 20 or 30. Also has a nice little pin blade. You'll notice that this serpentine pattern looks very familiar. This thing is a touch smaller than I thought it would be. We'll pull out. Hang on. We'll pull out the trusty calipers. .3 inches. Closed. So it is a small guy, but very formidable, especially in 440C. So this is going to be more like 3 inches, that knife. Definitely feels good in hand. No half stop. Probably be in another video in the future. Just wanted to get it on the channel. Alright, that's about it for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. That's all she wrote. Have a good day, man. Bye.